Hi, good morning. I'm student of Art of English. We are going to start conversation. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
May I have with you, please?
My pleasure, sir.
Do you have car?
Yes, I have.
Where did you purchase the car from?
I have purchased a car from Noida.
Why did you purchase the car from Noida?
I have purchased a car from Noida because I got my result.
And how far is it to Noida from here?
Noida is about 25 from here.
Do you know how to ride the bike?
Yes, I know how to ride a bike.
And please tell me how many wheels are there in bike?
There are two wheels in my bike.
Mm, there was nothing but water.
Yes, there was not water.
Was there nothing but water?
Yes, there was nothing but water.
And do you have shoes?
Yes, I have shoes.
How many shoes do you have?
I have one shoes.
Where did you purchase the shoes from?
I have purchased from Noida.
Why did you purchase the shoes from Noida?
I have purchased from Noida.
And how many sailors are there at Khurja?
There are so many sellers.
And would you like to go to America?
Yes, I would like to go to America.
Why would you like to go to America?
I would like to go to America because
And do you have as many cars as Aman?
yes, I have.
And how many cars does he have?
He has two cars.
Does he know how to drive the car?
Yes, I know how to drive the car.
And would you mind giving me your car, please? And how many cars do you have?
I have one car.
Did he know how to drive the car?
Yes, he knows how to drive the car.
And how much is your car?
My car was 1 lakh rupees.
Is this the same car that you purchased from America?
Yes, this is the same car I have.
Which car do you have?
I have I-20.
Where did you purchase the car from?
I purchased from Dubai.
And why did you purchase the car from Dubai?
I have purchased a car from Dubai because I
And do you know how to operate the smartphone?
Yes, I know how to operate the smartphone.
Do you know how to operate the computer?
Yes, I know how to operate the computer.
Where did you purchase the computer from?
I have purchased the computer from Noida.
And why did you purchase the computer from Noida?
I purchased the computer from Noida because I study.
And please tell me how many keys are there in computer?
There are so many
Keyboard. Do you have as many computers as Kananya?
Yes, I have as many computers.
How many computers does he have?
He has two computers.
Would you mind giving me your computer?
Okay.
Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal?
Yes, I have seen the Taj
Mm. Would you like to go to Taj Mahal?
Yes, I would like Taj Mahal.
How many books do you have?
I have two books.
Where did you purchase these books from?
I have purchased the books from Noida.
And please tell me how many books are there in your bag?
There are so many books in my bag.
In which book do you like most?
Yeah, I
Which book do you like more?
Which book do you like most?
English is most.
And who taught you English?
Yes, that's also English.
Where does he come from?
He comes from Noida.
How many books are there in your shop?
There are so many books.
Hi, good morning. We are student of Art of English. Today we are going to start conversation. So please listen to me carefully. Do you have car?
Yes, I have a car.
How much is the car?
My car was 1 lakh rupees.
Where have you purchased the car from?
I have purchased the car from Noida.
And where does your father get his phone repaired?
My mother gets his phone from Noida.
Can you get my Aadhaar card made?
Okay, I can get your Aadhaar card made.
Who can get my Aadhaar card made?
I can get your Aadhaar card made.
When will you get my Aadhaar card made?
I can get your Aadhaar card made on Sunday.
And can you get my bike repaired?
Okay, I can get your bike repaired.
When can you get my bike repaired?
I can get my bike repaired on Wednesday.
How far is to Khurja from here?
There is about 80 kilometers
Do you have to wash the cloth?
Yes, I have to wash the cloth.
Why do you have to wash the cloth?
I have to wash the cloth because
I don't have washing machine.
Who is having to cook the food?
My
my
mother
mother has to cook the food.
Why is your mother having to cook the food?
My mother has to cook the food.
How many pens do you have?
I have 3 pens.
How much is your pen?
My pen is cost rupees.
Where do you get your bike repaired?
I get my pen.
What will you eat?
I eat
And what did you eat?
I eat the food.
When do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Why do you get up in 6 o'clock?
I get up at 6 o'clock because
Does he know how to speak English?
yes, you know how to speak English.
Do you know just as you speak English in the same way I can also speak English? Do you have to fly the kite?
Yes, I also fly the kite.
You should have flied. You should have fly the kite.
Yes, I should have fly the kite.
You should have learned English.
Yes, I should have learned English.
Who can get my other card made? When will you get my bike repaired?
I get your bike repaired.
Where did your father get his bike repaired?
My father gets his bike repaired.
Would you like to take coffee?
Yes, I like to take coffee.
Why would you like to take coffee?
I would like to take coffee because
coffee is very.
How many pens there in your pocket?
there are so many pens in my pocket.
How many pens are there in the pocket?
Where have you purchased the pen from?
I have purchased the pen from Noida.
Why have you purchased the pen from Noida?
I have purchased the pen from Noida because Noida is a
When have you purchased the pen from Noida?
I have purchased the pen from Noida.
Why have you purchased the pen from Noida?
I have purchased the pen from Noida because shops.
You should have learned English.
Yes, I should have learned English.
Did he know how to play?
Yes, he knows how to play.
I may be permitted to play here. Do you know just as you run in the same way I can also run?
Yes, I have.
Do you have car?
Yes, I have.
How many cars do you have?
I have 3 cars.